Hello students, I am Dr. Nidhi Mishra, Assistant Professor English, Govind Sarang Government Law College, Bhatapara. And topic of my today's lecture is correct the sentence or sentence correction. Now let us look at the first sentence. It is raining when I got home last night. This is actually incorrect sentence. The correct sentence will be it was raining when I got home last night. So now let us look at the correct explanation. We will use past progressive or past continuous for a longer action that was interrupted by a shorter action in the past. So we will not say it is raining, but it was raining. Now second sentence. My sister is annoying today, but usually she is nice. Again, this is a incorrect sentence and correct answer will be my sister is being annoying today, but usually she is nice. Now why we have added being? Let us look at the explanation. We will use present continuous or present progressive tense for actions and adjectives that are temporary. So what we mean to say is that your sister is not annoying, but she is only being annoying for today. So for adjectives, this generally applies to adjectives that require an action. For example, being silly, being rude, being annoying, and it does not state like if it is a dead or tired. Now let us look at the third sentence. I have not ate anything today. And the correct answer will be I have not eaten anything today. So the tense has been corrected. Ate, it is incorrect. Eaten is correct. Now looking at the fourth sentence. If I am a child, I would play outside. Again, this is a incorrect sentence. Now let us look at the correct answer. If I were a child, I would play outside. Now, let us look at the explanation. Second conditional is equal to if plus past tense and subject plus would or could or might. So here the second conditional is used for unreal situation. So instead of I am, here we are using if I were. This is the change. Okay. Fifth sentence. Everyone have seen that movie. Now the answer is everyone has seen that movie. In the incorrect sentence, there was a problem with subject-verb agreement. Instead of have, here it should be has. With everyone, you will use has and not have. Now, the sixth sentence. If we will be late, they will be angry. So, the answer will be if we are late, they will be angry. Now let us see the explanation. Being late is a real possibility, so we have to use the first conditional. That means if we will be, it will be deleted and we will write we are. So the first conditional is if plus subject plus present simple and subject plus will. Okay. Now seventh, My father is thinking that I should stop smoking. Now the correct answer is my father thinks I should stop smoking. Now let us see the explanation. In this sentence the verb think is a state verb and it is generally not used in the continuous tense or progressive tense. So here thinking is thinking will be replaced by thinks. Okay. Sentence 8. Look, it is snow. Again, the correct answer is look, it is snowing. We will use the present continuous or present progressive tense because we want to describe that it is snowing at present times and it is happening now. So we will write snowing instead of snow. Snowing is correct because it is present continuous. Now let us look at ninth sentence. I fell asleep while I watched TV. Now the correct answer is I fell asleep while I was watching TV. Watched. This will convert into was watching. And the explanation is after while we always use past continuous. And again, because this is a longer action and watching TV that was interrupted by a shorter action, fell asleep. That means continuous action of watching TV, it was interrupted by a short action of falling asleep. So I was watching. Okay, sentence 10th. I have lived in Canada since 10 months. Correct answer is I have lived in Canada for 10 months. Since will be dropped and instead for will be used because for describes a duration and since describes when an action began. So for is the correct answer. Sentence 11. There is a warm country and correct answer is it is a warm country or that country is warm. In the above sentence, there is an adverb that indicates a place and an adverb should not be the subject of a sentence. Instead, use it as the subject because it is a pronoun or that because that is also a pronoun. Okay, 12th sentence. I have not an iPhone. Correct answer is I do not have an iPhone. And the explanation is that actually it is incorrect English. I have not an iPhone. This is an old fashioned English. People do not say I have not something anymore. It is obsolete, redundant kind of English. So the correct will be I do not have an iPhone. Okay, sentence 13. I haven't ever been to Korea. Answer will be I haven't been to Korea or I have never been to Korea. And always remember why this change has come. We have dropped ever because ever is only used with the present perfect in questions. It is not used in statements. Please mark my words. Ever is only used with the present perfect in questions. It is never used in statements. Now, sentence 14. The students have a good time in class today. Correct answer is the students are having a good time in class today. Have will change into are having because the verb have is a state verb. So it shouldn't be used in the continuous or progressive tenses. But have a good time is an expression. Just like to have a baby, to have a party. So these can be used in a continuous tense. So it has been changed into have has been changed into are having in a continuous tense. Okay. Sentence 15. John probably isn't going to come to school tomorrow. The correct answer is John probably won't come to school tomorrow. Now let us see the explanation. We will use will for predictions and we will use be plus going to for plans that are already decided. So isn't going will change into won't come to school tomorrow. That's it for this lecture, and I hope that you have understood the correction and the exercise. Please practice this exercise as often as you can, then only you will have the grip of the correcting the sentence. Thank you.